Welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I will share with you unique style stir fried paneer bhurji recipe. It's a delicious delicacy. For making this recipe I have taken 100 grams crushed paneer, spoonful of crushed garlic and green chilies. Fried vegetables I have fried 1 capsicum, 2 tomato and 2 onions. Turn on the heat, put a kadai, add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. After oil is hot, add some whole spice along with crushed green chili and garlic. Saute for a few seconds until it fragrant. Then add the crushed paneer. Stir well and cook for 2 minutes over medium heat. Then add a teaspoon salt and a teaspoon red chili powder, a teaspoon coriander powder and garam masala powder. Give a good mix. Reduce the heat and stir fry the crushed paneer over medium-low heat. Whenever you will make paneer bhurji, separately fry the paneer. Then it will be more tasty. Now I will add the fried vegetables. You can add fried vegetables according to your choice. I have fried capsicum, onion and tomato. Now give a good toss. Well, combine the fried paneer with fried vegetables. Continuously stir for 2 to 3 minutes over medium-low heat. Friends, if you make this recipe like my method, it will be more delicious. See, our yummy paneer bhurji is done. Serve this tasty paneer bhurji with roti or chapati. If this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe.